Hey, what's up, Herd? It's Monday, December 9th. My name is Aaron, and this is your market update. Let's get on into the Bitcoin chart. The market seems to be taking a bit of a correction today. BTC is down 3.4% at the moment, guys, sitting at 97,767. Getting lots of volatility. It's early in the morning on Monday here. And actually, we started the day out kind of low and then bounced a little bit higher and then are coming low again. So lots of volatility this morning. Not sure where this correction will go at the moment, but let's look at the liquidation heat map to see if we can find out. On the 24-hour chart, it does look like we have a small pocket of liquidity around 97,000 again, which looks to be a point that we might be able to hit, guys, over the next couple of hours. But then I do expect us to come back up towards 100 as there are some short liquidation pockets forming at 99,000 and above all the way up to 100,000. Looking at the weekly chart, we do have some liquidity around 95,000, but the majority of it, guys, is short liquidity between 100,000 and 104,000. The one thing that's interesting here is that BTC whale money flow is actually going up and to the right after coming down the last couple of weeks here. I'm kind of wondering if this upward trending line of support will hold, guys, especially with whale money flow coming into this. It could bounce off of this fairly strongly around 96,500. Getting into the ETH chart, we're down 4.7% this morning, $3,800 per ETH. We're back testing the support right now. I do think if we bounce off of this, guys, we will send much higher for the price of Ethereum, though we could come down easily to 3,700 and down here we do have strong support around 3,479. Though we have been bouncing off this upward trending line of support for the whale money flow, guys. So if we do get down to the support line, I would expect one more bounce to the upside if we don't capitulate through it. ETH in general is looking super strong as we did break out from this downward trending line of resistance that we set from the peak of last cycle through March of this year. And we did reach the March highs last week. So I do think this is a back test of that trend line. What was resistance may now be a support, guys. BNB only down about 3.2% right now, still sitting over 700, which is great to see. It looks like it's back testing its previous all-time high at 710. Whale money flow is coming out of this, but it's still on the higher side of things, so we could see a bounce to the upside shortly. Solana coming back to its support line around $222, currently sitting at $224. I would love to see a strong bounce for the price of Solana. And speaking of bounces, we have a massive bounce in the whale money flow, guys, up and to the right here, which should send the price of Solana up past all-time highs at 260. If we got even lower down to $200, that would be a great place to load up on more Solana as we head into the next round of this bull run. SWE down the most this morning is 6.7%, back testing its previous all-time high around $3.80. It's likely to come down to $3.75 to backtest the SMA here before it goes back up and to the right again. There's a lot of money coming into this SWE universe, guys, and I do think it's not done moving up and to the right. Getting into the elephant money ecosystem, Trunk is down just a little bit today, 2.8%, which is sitting at 18 cents, which is good to see. We're making higher highs and setting higher lows here. So if we don't break this support line around 17, 18 cents, guys, I do think we'll continue up and to the right. And we've certainly got whale money flow pointing in that direction as well. Elephant also making higher highs and higher lows, guys. I could see it coming back to the SMA here, but I do think in general, we're going to trend up and to the right for all of the elephant money ecosystem, especially as BT is yet to do the full transition with opening up the staking for the Unlimited 2.0 NFTs and the marketplace, which is going to generate all the fees for the stakers. Speaking of that transition, guys, make sure to get into your futures account and claim your NFTs. The sooner you claim, the higher chance you have of getting a rare NFT. And then go to the Unlimited 1.0 contract and make sure you unstake all the NFTs that you have been staking and get ready for the 2.0 contract, which will yield you Trunk tokens. With that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. We'll see you on Wednesday, guys. Have a great week and God bless.